Okay guys, welcome back. I'm here again with my partner Franco Licastro, Ifbb Pro. So what we're going to do today, this is part 2 of the series. The first series we did was training with the stars, Ronnie Coleman. As you know, just to re-explain again why we're doing this, Franco competed in the 2000 Grand Prix in London, England. And some of the guys he competed against were Jay Cutler, Ronnie Coleman, Gunter, et cetera, et cetera.
Marcus Rule,
Marcus Rule, a bunch of guys who were from the 2000s, which is one of the golden eras just right after Arnold Schwarzenegger's era, basically. So we're going to go through each one of their workouts. So today we're going to do, who we're going to do today?
Today we're going to do Jay Cutler. So he's an amazing bodybuilder. Even today you can see him. I think he is ready to go. I think he does 3 months diet. He's ready for the Olympia again. So we're going to recreate his program for shoulder, okay? And I mean, let's try to do as close as he does, okay? I mean, he's a great bodybuilder. Yeah. We have a lot of respect for him. So we're going to try to do as best as we can, okay?
Okay, just remember this is part 2 of the series, so go back and look at the first one. Also, there'll be a link in the description down below from the competition. You can watch Franco compete against these guys, and you can watch their posing. The posing in this era was amazing too. Yeah. It's like you watch these guys and you watch them today, it's completely different. It just seems to be a different vibe. So go check that out. Link is in the description. This will be the second in the series. The last one we did with Coleman was chest, which is very basic chest. Today, we're going to do shoulders because he's known for shoulders, right?
Oh my God, his shoulders are unreal.
So his shoulders, Jay Cutler's shoulders are big, they're well defined, they're strong. So we're going to do his shoulder workout. And then for the next part of the series, we'll figure out, maybe we'll do something with Gunter Schlierkamp, whatever his name is. Gunter? What was his name?
Gunter, yeah.
Gunter Schlierkamp.
Or somebody else.
Yeah, or somebody else, and we'll figure out exactly who. And so stay tuned. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to like and leave a comment below. If you guys want a question answered, something like that. If you have a question for us or for Franco specifically, please leave us a comment down below. It helps the algorithm also. All right, guys, so let's get this workout started.
Let's do it. So now we're going to start with 2 warm-ups. We're going to try to reach 15 repetitions and just to get those shoulders warm and full of blood.
All right, Anthony's turn.
Yes.
Okay. So 15?
Yeah, so what we do, we try to just warm up the shoulders, keep the blood going to the area of the rotator cuff and all that. As you can see, Anthony does it partial, he doesn't go full range. That's the way we're trying to aim for Jay Cutler's program. That's it. So I do another one. So we keep with the lightweight before we start with the working weight.
Bitch, I get high. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Bitch, I get, bitch, I get, bitch, I get. Let me meditate.
That's it, guys. So let's go for the working sets.
Okay.
That's it, partial repetitions. Don't go all the way up. Just keep it in the radar there. Yes. Excellent.
Good.
So it's my first working rep. Okay, let's go. Partial reps, 10 to 12.
bitch, I get high.
Start burning. See you now, Auntie.
No rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail.
You have your active card? Oh, that's why.
I've been running so long.
That's it, guys. So now we're gonna do the side laterals with Dumbbell. We're gonna concentrate, we're gonna sit down, we're gonna try to do it just the way he does it, okay? So let's see.
Oh, really?
Anthony's turn. So you see the mix of Anthony. You see the mix of rhomboids with.
What were you doing? You were doing.
No. We're just taking it down from here.
Yeah.
And then you start bringing it up this, and the same time that you do this. That's like a lateral, but he does it this way, like that. That's it. So he uses the lateral, and he uses this area too.
So up to here and then.
No, just like
oh, okay.
One
okay,
shot.
okay.
All one
okay.
shot. One shot. Yeah. All one shot. Okay. There we go. So go down a bit and bang. Ah, that's it. Let's go. Let's go for 10, 12. That's it. Nice. You can try maybe to go a little bit more upright at the end. There we go. All right. How was it? Good?
Everything's electronic now. There's no more floor trading, so it doesn't affect the fingers.
Let's go, Anthony's turn. Let's go, Anthony. Straighten those arms a little bit more. There. Let's go. Nice. Let's burn it, baby. Nice. Let's keep going. Keep head straight. Let's go. Nice. Next exercise.
Go.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do the front raise, leaning over this bench here. The way Jay Cutler does it, he takes a easy bar. We don't have an easy bar. We're gonna use the straight bar, but we're gonna keep our arms bent a little bit. Okay.
How many degrees is that at?
So I would say this should be 45, but we don't have the right angle, but we're gonna try to do the best we can, okay? Let's try to work the front shoulders and the traps, okay?
Good. No, we're connect your phone to your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi.
Wow. Wow, guys. I felt good. Anthony, turn.
Anthony's turn.
That's it. Keep your hands
Straight or?
No, bend a little bit. Yeah. Bend a little bit. Yeah. There we go. We may try with a different angle, a little bit higher, just to see if is there any difference with a higher angle. Maybe with a lower angle, we're feeling it more in the area of the traps. We will raise it a little bit so we see. I'm gonna raise the bench a little bit just to see if I can bring it more into the front area.
Sounds good.
Short guys, so I have to stand up.
Yeah, I'm sure that's gonna hit more of the anterior delt. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Now,
definitely.
Yeah. Oh yeah, now it's better.
Good.
Whoa, that was much better, guys. Your turn, Anthony. Anthony's turn. That's much better than that.
Okay.
So now we raise the angle and we are at 45, you know, if we can say.
Yeah.
And it does feel more in the front shoulders. Recreate an exact workout from him, so we're gonna stick to the workout as he says it. For the next exercise, we're gonna do the rear delt in the pec deck machine, just the way he does it, okay? I'm gonna try the best to imitate what he does, okay? With maybe 100 pounds less. So we're gonna lean over the bench. We're gonna grab the handles pronated, and we're gonna just keep in an angle and just back, like over the weight. Over the weight.
Put your feet back more. More, even more.
No,
the more you put it back, the more it's going to hit your rear delt.
I feel good there. I'm shorter than you. If I put my feet back, I'm gonna be in the floor.
Okay.
You forgot that thing. So guys, you see, oh, it really works so good. Wow. Very good one. I like it. So Anthony has like 2 meters of legs, so he can put his feet backwards, you know what I'm saying?
I gotta even switch my head,
Exactly,
my hat
man.
backwards.
You see the difference?
Oh, Jesus.
One leg is my high, you know, so there we go. So be on top of the weight. There we go, on top of the weight. Like you swimming, that butterfly swimming. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Nice. 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 How was it?
Good. I really feel it hits the right spot.
Oh my God, nice, nice. Okay, my turn.
All right, raise the weight.
I raised it already. Oh no, that's too light. That's too light. That's too late. That's too late. That's too late. One more. Let's try with one more.
Excellent.
Wow. It's good. Wow, it feels so good. Oh my God.
That's what she said.
Thank you, Jay Cutler. I'm getting the cup. In this case, it's a coconut. from the Caribbeans. That's it. So you can feel like you butterflying there. There we go, butterflying. There. You can see right here, Anthony's getting those crazy little muscles popping off.
Whoa.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Whew, it was so good. Maybe one more, just one more. Oh my God. 3 more. Let's go, Anthony. That's it, push that water backwards. Let's go. Nice. Nice, Anthony. Let's squeeze until the end. Let's go. Let's go till you can no more. Nice. Fuck. Very good, bro. Excellent. Good, good, good.
All
so
right.
let's go for the next exercise.
All right, go.
Now comes to the end. The grandfather of the exercise. Military standing press. 3 times 8. Let's try to go heavy as much as we can, okay? Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Franco, watch yourself.
Let's go. Let's see if I can do it. Sika. Oh.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. You need help? Okay, guys, thanks a lot for joining us for this Jay Cutler episode.
Yes.
Franco and myself. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. We're going to pick another all-star from the 2000 English Grand Prix to do a little workout. So we appreciate you being here. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.